stop meeting like this. All right, Donnie, please open the door.
What, you have a rooster friend?
I have a rooster friend. How did you get back out, Marty?
I let him out.
Oh, I was holding on to him for his medicine. He'd only been in for a few minutes.
Oops.
You messed up.
Yeah. Went thinking again.
Yep, stop quit thinking. Don's always ready to let the cats outside. Men, I'm not awake. Morris, come on, honey. Come on, Morris. Morris, come here, bud. Come on. Morris. Come on, Morris. Come on. Come on, Morris. Come on. Come on. Marty's coming. Here we go. Good boy. Not this one. The other food. Yeah. Thank you for not squawking at me, though. So Al stopped by yesterday, and he said that he caught the tan one. The tan one was the one that made all the noise. And most of the trouble. That would be really good if the tan one's caught. Hi, bud. This guy's so tame, I almost feel like I could pet him. Hi, Stripe. Yeah, you're such a good boy. I am liking that yellow golden view this morning. And that pretty blue sky. Yeah, everything is looking good. I think we're trying to head out of here at 9:30-ish. We have teleported to Page Road Credit Union.
Yeah.
There it is. We're fixing to turn in. The car did brilliant moving out of the way for an ambulance. Don's on a conference call. I've done full self-driving the whole way. I tapped the accelerator once. But yeah, brilliant moving out of the way for an ambulance. And I'm recording because the car's going to park, and I remember I have this thing about going backwards and that whole sensation, so I thought I'd film it.
Yeah, it knew not to enter there.
Yep, that was a do not enter. This is a one-way thing in
this is a process I'm talking about
here at the credit union, so just ignore the customer in the background. We're about 15 minutes early, so Don's probably going to stay on the call until a little bit at least.
This is a model you can use to say, these are the sections we need to update, on priority.
See where she chooses to park. Probably not in the same spot I would choose, but I'm letting her do it. Nice. Sweet. Perfectly down the middle. Good job. Well, we left the credit union and we came to Lowe's here in Holly Spring. Isn't Don looking sharp in his St. Patrick's Day green shirt?
I need a hat, though.
It's actually too hot. Our foreheads are burning in the heat. We really hate to go from winter to summer in North Carolina. We love it when we have a spring. Last year we had a real spring, but this year it's looking a little hot, a little too quick. Don goes, "What's that?" And I said, "That's coral bark Japanese maple." That is, it's a sangukaku, which we have one of right out the back door. But so they had a few still on clearance, but they had a lot of new ones. And we're getting this pink flowering dogwood. It's half off. It's $17, I guess. Yeah. Ooh, pretty. This is the place where I come and I want 2 or 3 of everything. It's been $49 and $4.99. I don't know, which is... One comes with a 6 amp hour and one comes with a 7.5 amp hour. So the $749 would replace ours, self-propelled and a 7.5 amp hour battery.
740, that's we paid $600, so they've gone up 150
bucks. Yeah, well, ours is hanging in there, but self-propelled is a must for me in our yard.
I'm not going to let her sit here. I'm going to tap the accelerator. She doesn't go.
Did you tap it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was just going to say, I think that tree, that was just telling Dawn his foot was on the accelerator. Will not break message. We ended up getting the dogwood and the Shishangashara red lion's head Japanese maple, both half price. I really would not have thought they would have had anything left at half price, but they did. And a couple of bags of mulch, which was the least of our worries. Dawn's wallet worries in there. But I need the mulch for the maple trees to mix up the soil mix that I need for them. So after we got home, we had something to eat because we're going to Connor's play tonight. And we hadn't had anything to eat. We're probably not going to have time to eat anything else before we go. It's at 7. It's at 5:30 now. And we got out here pretty much right away. And I'm pleased to say that I am done all the way even with this tree and this plant. And just a little bit this way. And there's not really sweet gumballs over here on this far end. I was mostly pulling up the weed. Dawn took off the big box for me one time. Yeah, I was going to say I've accumulated this much more. And walking this way with the water bottle for Dawn. It's about time for him to stop. Well, I'll let him stop when he wants to stop, but it's about time. I got to come down here and put a cage around my fancy variegated hydrangea. The deer ate on it a few months ago. So you can see that Dawn has quite his work cut out for him with the pile of stuff over here to chip or shred. But I got plenty of places to put stuff. Plenty of places. And he's been pulling in that pile down at the road up this way so that we can, include it in the shredding. These arrived in, quote unquote, the mail today. And I am very excited to build them. I am going to stay the course with what I'm on right now, but I'm very excited to build them.